Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. And this video is all about my hairstyle that you see right here that I wore to my Convo Coach event. I hope you guys follow me on Instagram so you can see what I'm talking about. But if you want to see how I achieve this really quick slick back curly ponytail with Marley hair, it's a few days old now. The reason why I'm filming this in a whole different outfit than you'll see is because I totally lost space on my camera and I'm always late for everything, so I had to run out and leave. So the ponytail's a little bit old, but I had to do an intro and an outro for y'all. So before we get into the style, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I do upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Join that flower gang. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. I've been winking lately, y'all. Ask about it. Alright, hey y'all. So we're gonna start out with freshly blown out stretched hair. Yeah. So I'm just going to start by parting my hair down the middle and making sure the part is nice and straight. Doesn't really matter what you use, so I just used the first thing that I grabbed, which was my edge control brush. So now I'm parting the front of my hair up into two sections and then pulling the back so that it's easier to make this ponytail slick. So I'm first going in with my Eco Styler Flaxseed and Black Castor Oil Gel, and I'm just putting it all over the back of my head. The part does not have to be perfect, so now I'm grabbing my hard brush and I'm just brushing my hair back just to make sure it remains slick and the ponytail foundation is nice and smooth. Once I'm done with that, of course, I'm going to go ahead and put it into a ponytail. And the pony's done. So now I'm going to go through the front. I'm using my Demon brush as kind of a detangler. And then I'm just pulling the hair back and I'm grabbing it to make sure that it's nice and smooth. So I decided to use black gel because black gel is going to leave me and give me a little bit of a slicker look than the Eco Styler. So I'm actually using both, and I'm using the black gel on top of it. So once I've gotten that section nice and smooth, I'm going to close that rubber band or hair tie, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So I'm just brushing that out, and of course I'm making sure that everything is nice and slicked back. I took the other rubber band or hair tie off so that I will be able to just use only two rubber bands. I don't like too many scrunchies in my hair. I just call it the rubber band head tie scrunchie. Gee. Okay, so I just braided down that braid and I'm just going to put it into a tight bun. I went ahead and did my edges. I used my pink manga edge control, and right now you see me doing it to the back. You can see before I even laid down my hair with the scarf, it's already kind of slick. Like, it looks pretty good. So I'm just making sure everything is brushed down. I don't have any flyaways or any frizzies, and I'm gonna put my handy dandy scarf on so that it can lay down and mold a little bit more. So I let this mold for hours. Like, I'm not even gonna front, it was a lot of hours. So I've already perm rod or curled most of the Marley hair ponytail. So right now I'm just showing you how I did that, which is really easy. You just want to grab your perm rod and just wrap the hair around it. I use 3 to 4 strands on each perm rod, and the perm rods I use is the purplish pink ones. And then one white one because I ran out of space. But okay, so after that I went ahead and dipped it in water, and I didn't show you guys that because you've seen me dip hair in water before. So what I'm doing after that, I let the water sit in this hair for about 3 hours and just let it air dry in the rollers, just to make sure that I wouldn't have any issues with the curls. So as you can see, I'm just pulling out the rollers now, and I'm showing you little teasers of how the curls look before I tease them and all of that good old. So as you can see, I'm just pulling out those last two. It is really curly, like really pretty Shirley Temple curls. So remember when I told you guys that I split it up by 3 and 4 pieces? I'm actually going through separately and separating some of those, and there's also finger combing it. So once I'm done with that process, I'm going to go ahead and put the ponytail onto my hair. The bottom of my ponytail of my real hair is technically out. So what I'm doing now is wrapping a piece of the hair around it to hide my real hair under that ponytail and give it more of a seamless look. After that, y'all, this is when my camera is about to die. I'm only going to be able to put about 2 pins in, and then the camera cuts off. And I was like, I'm leaving. I gotta go. So this is the final look on how it came out with all of the pins and stuff like that. I'm sorry it doesn't look as perfect as it was before. Like I said, this is several days later, but I had to redo it just to make sure you guys got a good full idea of how the style came out. It's still gorgeous, still pretty. I actually like the ponytail now more because it's a lot more frizzy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this style. If you also do this style, make sure you go ahead and tag me and all of that good old. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Join that flower gang. See you guys next time.